Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is KB and welcome to Clibit. And today I will show you my top 5 apps, personal apps that I use the most, and they are always installed in my phone. And yeah, they are the most used apps by me. So let's do this by number 5, or maybe you can call it. I will just do a random, countdown, not a countdown, just show you the 5 apps that I always use. Okay, let's do this. Okay, first one we have the CM game booster. Okay, so don't go into the name. It is a game booster. And one more very best thing, I do not use as a booster, I use as a file folder, because when you install this, it will collect all of your games, installed games in one folder, which means inside this you will find the already installed games and you can launch the game from inside from this. That's why I always use this, because this not only boost your game, it will also categorize your games in separate place. In one place you will find all of your games. And look, second one what we have, the Hola. This is a VPN and the browser. Okay, so let me introduce you the thing. This is a free VPN service and the free browser, which is like you can change your country, you can change what do you mean by the VPN. So it is the best VPN ever, for Android, for Windows. So it's an Android, I'm using Android, so probably with the for the Android. Okay, so you're just gonna select the country, you can see all of the as free. So this is really awesome, and you can browse the web from here. I always use this when I want to hide my information from the website, or the website is not available for me, like the Netflix, Hulu and something like that. So that's why I always use this one if I needed to access something which is not available in my country. So that's why it is the best app that I always use for as a VPN and as a browser. And third one we have the UC browser. Okay, so you may be familiar with this. Okay, so it's an awesome browser. Why I use this browser? Because this, whenever you go to the downloading the mp3 or maybe video from website, what you can do is you can preview them before you download, which means you can stream the downloadable file. Like for example, you go to the website where you can only download the mp3s and video. So this browser supports, before you download you can preview them, like you can play them, and then later if you like them then you can download it later. If you don't like, then do not download. Okay, so that's why I always use this one, because this supports the streaming, live streaming, which means the before you download they will give you access to preview it. Okay, so yeah, that's the cool thing about this app is. And fourth, my personal app is the VLC. You may already know about this, but some of the a lot of people use the MX player to play the videos, but sometimes inside the video there is the ACC video format which doesn't support the MX player. So this is a player, the best player, which supports all of the audios, which is the ACC audio format. And sometimes you may have got error when you try to play the ACC format audio in other players, but this player can support ACC audios with video. Okay, so that's why I always use this one when I want to watch the movies which I downloaded from torrent. A lot of time the audio file of the movies are ACC format, which other place doesn't support. So that's why I always use this one, because this is a perfect app for the video player. And fifth most used app in my phone is the Torrent Search engine. Okay, this is really cool tool, guys. Like it will search any torrent you want, not only from one website. It will look up for top rated website and find a torrent for you. Okay, so you don't have to go to the individual website for Pirate Bay or maybe Kickass. Okay, you will find all of the torrents. You cannot browse the torrent, actually you just have to search your torrent. Like if you cannot find any torrent, download this app and search on it, and you will definitely find that. For example, any game, I'm gonna type any game, Minecraft for example, and it will give me a result like you can see there, Minecraft 172, and there are lots of things, and you can download it whichever you like to download. So search results are from the various website, which means it has searched in multiple website and give us a result, which means you don't have to go to the individual websites and do the etc things. You may do not find the apps or games you want to download, but inside this you can. It will look up for most used or most visited website like Pirate Bay, Kickass, and then combine all of the searches and put here and then download it. Then we can download it easily. So these are the apps, top 5 apps. There are more in my phones, but I cannot do all of the reviews at once, or I cannot tell you at once, but these are the best top 5 apps that I always use, and hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I will put link in the description whichever you want. You may have already heard about some of them and maybe do not. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.